to, and go ahead.
The biggest benefit of Rilla has been the speed to improvement with our team. Reps are able to get more information more quickly, review it, learn from it, and get better at a higher rate and closer to their potential.
Pella Products of Houston is the direct sales network for Pella windows and doors.
Rilla is a program that is designed to really give you good feedback. It's the only way to really know if you're doing something really well, to keep doing it. If you're missing something on every appointment, work on that a little bit.
Prior to Rilla, we're doing anywhere from 14 to 20 ride-alongs per month. Now, if we are looking at virtual ride-alongs, we're probably doing somewhere in the 40 to 50 a month. And physical, we're doing right at about 14.
There is a fantastic tool inside Rilla called Rick. Rick is an AI engine that I can ask a question related to that appointment. I can ask him, what product did we demonstrate? Rick may come back and say, well, you presented the 250 series, and it'll take me into the appointment and actually show me where that was discussed. Rick makes things very fast, and he's scary accurate. Over the first 5 months, we saw a 5-point increase in our close ratio. So when we started Rilla, we were at about 20%. We right now are 26.4. And so for us, that's huge. It's huge enough for it started to get a lot of attention as to what is Houston doing, what's happening, which is one of the reasons that I refer everyone I can to Rilla, because we totally believe that it's the information that we got from Rilla. No one in this industry talks about a 5-point improvement in close because it's unheard of. We also saw an increase in average job size, which is strange because typically when average job size goes up, close ratio goes down. Rilla and the training we've been able to do, we've actually been able to lift both numbers simultaneously, which is actually very odd in the 34 years I've been here to see that number. We've also seen our customer satisfaction rating go up from 4.5 to 4.7 in Google reviews. And to do that in a short amount of time with a company that's been around as long as we have is very difficult. So the question I would have for you is, how are you going to grow your business? And how are you going to get your business to thrive without Rilla?
Thank you. Oh my God.
All right, that's like a master class. A litany of reasons to use
Yeah.
Rilla.
We're ready to cut? Okay.